Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rolling sharpener is probably one of the most convenient and effective ways to keep your kitchen knives razor sharp, ensuring effortless food preparation and minimizing the risk of accidents. In this video, we will explore its functionality, ease of use, and overall performance, helping you determine if it's the right tool for your culinary needs. Number 5. Orange Ninja 4-Stage Sharpener. This innovative sharpener makes sharpening your knives simple and efficient. Its 4-stage system will restore your blades to razor sharpness. It features coarse, medium, fine, and serrated slots to handle various knife types and conditions. Each slot plays a crucial role in the sharpening process. With just a few gentle strokes, it quickly sharpens a wide variety of knives. Achieve a professional edge in no time at all. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable for both right and left-handed users. Sharpening your knives has never been easier. From kitchen knives and chef's knives to serrated and fillet knives, it handles them all. It's the perfect tool for any home cook or professional chef. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, it's built to last. Enjoy years of reliable performance with this durable and dependable sharpener. What we like. It has 4 slots to sharpen various knives, from coarse to fine. This makes sharpening efficient and suitable for all your kitchen knives. If you need a versatile sharpener for all your knives, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to use, good size. Works well, stays put on the counter, very safe. Has a good grip. No chance of cutting yourself during sharpening. I tried a pair of garment shears I had for 40 years, it did good job on them. It has a serrated sharpening setting. Safe and easy to use. Good quality and my knives are like new again. I even sharpened my scissors. Number 4. HORL 2 Walnut Sharpener. It's the ultimate knife sharpener, designed for precision and ease of use. Get ready to rediscover the joy of effortlessly sharp knives. It features interchangeable discs, allowing you to customize the sharpening angle to perfectly suit your needs. This ensures optimal results for any knife. The magnetic angle support makes sharpening incredibly easy and precise. It holds your knife at the perfect angle every time. It uses a combination of diamond and ceramic discs to sharpen knives of any hardness. This ensures a long-lasting, razor-sharp edge. Use the 20 degrees angle for a robust, durable edge, perfect for everyday kitchen tasks and more demanding cuts. It's built to last. For a razor-sharp edge ideal for delicate work, choose the 15 degrees angle. It's perfect for sushi, sashimi, and other precision cuts. It's crafted with precision in Germany, using only the highest quality materials. Experience the difference of German engineering. What we like. It offers interchangeable grinding discs and magnetic angle support for customized sharpening. This ensures precision and control, perfect for various knife types and sharpening needs. If you prioritize precision and control in your sharpening, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The unit is simple, it's just 2 parts, a magnetic angle block and a sharpening roller. The angle block is cut for 2 angles, 15 degrees and 20 degrees. Each have a silicone-padded magnet which will hold your blade in place without scratching it. The rollers are smooth, and the grinding pads are consistent. Unlike using a grinding wheel, you're not going to generate enough heat to destroy the temper on your blade. Your edge will hold as long as the quality of your blades will allow. The grinders are also replaceable, meaning there's no reason you won't get decades of good use out of this. Number 3. IMARKU Rolling Knife Sharpener. This innovative sharpener makes sharpening your knives quick and easy. Its dual diamond discs handle all steel hardnesses, from coarse grinding to fine honing. The unique downward sharpening design ensures safety and even sharpening. It's flexible, preventing knife movement for consistent results, and you don't need a board for larger knives. Choose from 4 magnetic angle stands, 12 degrees, 13 degrees, 15 degrees, 20 degrees, to customize your sharpening. Each angle is ideal for different tasks and knife types. The ergonomically designed walnut wood handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. This prevents accidental injuries and makes sharpening safer and more enjoyable. It sharpens various knives, from kitchen knives to outdoor knives. Simply push the roller gently for a sharp edge, no water needed. This sharpener is a great gift for any cooking enthusiast. It's a must-have kitchen tool and perfect for any occasion. What we like. It features 2 industrial-grade diamond discs and 4 magnetic angle stands. This provides a versatile and efficient sharpening experience for various knife types and sharpening styles. If you are a professional chef or serious home cook, this will meet your high standards. What people say. The 2 diamond discs are incredibly effective at sharpening knives. The discs are easy to replace when needed, and the tool's adjustable angle settings, 4 degrees, 12 degrees, 13 degrees, 15 degrees, and 20 degrees, allow for customization to suit various knife types and edges. I've successfully sharpened Wusthof, Zwilling, Global, Shun, and even pocket knives with this kit. This works really well, and sharpened the knife extremely well. The roller action is smooth and easy. The holding block is smooth and heavy, at the bottom it has a rubber layer so it won't slide, the magnet is strong. The quality is outstanding given the price. The roller has coarse and fine grit at 2 sides, it would be better to have an even finer grit, but the 1000 kit seems adequate for my knives without final polishing. Number 2. HORL 2 Cruise Knife Sharpener. It's the ultimate all-around knife sharpener, focusing on what matters most, precision and ease of use. Its design ensures consistently sharp knives, every time. This sharpener uses a consistent 20-degree angle, perfect for maintaining the optimal sharpness of your knives. It's suitable for various knife types and materials. It combines industrial diamonds and stainless steel for superior sharpening. This combination works on any type of steel, no matter how hard. Whether you have European kitchen knives, hard or soft steel, stainless or rust-resistant blades, it will sharpen them all. It even works on very dull knives and outdoor knives. It provides a stable and easy-to-maintain blade. Get a consistently sharp edge quickly, perfect for everyday kitchen tasks. Its simple, chalk-painted finish makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. It's built to last, providing robust, long-lasting sharpness. What we like. It boasts a 20 degrees grinding angle and durable industrial diamonds. This is perfect for achieving a robust and long-lasting sharpness quickly and easily. If you want a simple, effective sharpener for everyday use, this is a great option. What people say. The HORL put a killer edge on my Wusthof, a knife I had given up on for lack of ability to put a decent edge on it, in a few minutes. I'm sure it will handle the rest with equal ease. My knives have never been sharper and I look for things to cut instead of dreading it. As well as I thought I did over a few hours with the sharpening stone, I achieved a much sharper and more consistent edge with the HORL in about 3 to 5 minutes per knife. I'm blown away at how efficient it was. Number 1. HORL 2 Pro Sharpener. This is the HORL 2 Pro, a premium knife sharpener crafted for exceptional performance. It's designed to make sharpening your knives quick and easy, giving you razor-sharp results every time. It features a unique 3:1 planetary gear system. This means it sharpens your knives 3 times faster than our other models, saving you valuable time. This sharpener uses a combination of industrial-grade diamond and ceramic honing discs. These ensure a superior sharpening experience, suitable for all types of knives and steels. With a 20 degrees grinding angle, it creates a robust, long-lasting edge perfect for everyday kitchen tasks and more demanding cuts. It also offers a 15 degrees angle for a razor-sharp, finely honed edge. This is ideal for delicate work like preparing sushi or working with high-carbon steel knives. The magnetic holder keeps it securely in place during use, ensuring a safe and controlled sharpening process. Enjoy the precision and ease of use. What we like. It includes a 3:1 planetary gear for 3 times faster sharpening. This saves you time and effort while maintaining precision. If you value speed and efficiency without compromising sharpness, this is the one for you. What people say. This sharpener does as advertised, it is very simple to use and sharpens knives like a pro. The HORL 2 Pro Rolling Knife Sharpener is fantastic at sharpening kitchen knives. The only issue I have had with it is using it on large knives. The weight of the knives overpowers the magnet, and it is difficult to build a base to keep the angle correct. However, for standard knives it is amazing. The gearing is a good idea as it turns the grinding stones faster than you roll it. For medium-sized knives this is a really good sharpener. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.